Hi there, Jennifer Bell here, and today what we're going to talk about is the different benefits that you have when you have Medicaid or low income subsidy and how these can help you when you're on Medicare. Now, Medicaid is when you qualify for assistance from the state, and they'll help you pay your Medicare premium and potentially even help you pay for copays and deductibles. Extra help is where you get help from Social Security to assist you with the cost of your medication. So Medicaid is from the state, and extra help, or also known as low income subsidy, is something that you're granted from Social Security. So when you have these two things or one of them in place, you actually have enrollment periods throughout the year. And what I mean by that is a lot of people who have Medicaid will get on what's called a special needs plan, which is a Medicare Advantage plan, and it gives you added perks and benefits, which is super cool because Medicare and Medicaid by itself doesn't give you like the added dental all the time, vision, hearing, fitness programs, transportation to appointments, things like that. So there's some added perks that you can get by having a Medicare Advantage plan that is specifically designed to work with Medicare and Medicaid. Now let's say you're on a plan right now that doesn't have the added perks, or maybe you're curious to see if there's another plan out there that could give you more benefits. Well, the great thing about that is you can shop around throughout the year. So a person who has Medicare and Medicaid, or Medicare and low income subsidy with extra help, you actually get the opportunity to have an enrollment period once every quarter. So the first, second, and third quarters of the year, you can make one change each quarter from one plan to another. So that's pretty cool. Now, when you hit the fourth quarter, what happens is now we have the annual election period that happens in the fourth quarter. So then you'll have to also fall within all of the specifications of how the annual election period works. What that means is, they have the enrollment period from October 15th through December 7th. You can make any changes you want during that time, but the new plan wouldn't start until January 1st of the following year. So first, second, and third quarters of the year, when you make a change, it'll be effective the following month, so that's cool. And in the fourth quarter, it acts just like it would if you were on a plan outside of Medicaid or low income subsidy, where you would just use that annual election period and it would start January 1. Now, I hope that helps. Some things that you want to know is when you qualify for Medicaid, you can make a plan change. And if all of a sudden you no longer qualify for Medicaid, so some situations could be where maybe you gained an inheritance from a family member, and so now you have more money than you're allowed to still get Medicaid benefits. That could happen. When you lose your Medicaid benefits, you have that opportunity to get onto the appropriate plan within 2 months of losing those benefits. So be sure that you're paying attention to time frames, and when anything changes with you, or if you want to make any changes, definitely reach out to someone in your area who can help. Now, I am licensed in 9 or 10 different states, and so I'm happy to answer your questions. Please don't hesitate to give me a call. Please subscribe to my channel because I do put updates in, and anytime I run into like a crazy situation with somebody, I'll make a video about it, and then that way you can see some of the experiences that happen, and it might actually help you or a friend who you know who might be going through the same thing. So please subscribe and share this on any of your personal channels so that other people can get help as well. And if you have any questions for me specifically, I'm more than happy to help you with that. You can shoot me an email, you can call me, whatever works for you, and I'm happy to work it out. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video.